Hello my friend, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So today you guys, I haven't ordered anything for a long while from Teum. So this is my first haul from Teum for 2024 you guys. I am going to show you what I got here. And I just want to welcome you to my channel if you're new here. I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much for stopping by, and Happy New Year to you guys. And I pray that 2024 will be a good year for you. So I have these things in Timo basket for the longest while, you guys, really long time. And I did not really like make purchase on them until the other day. So I ordered these, which is some eyeliner brush from Timo here. This is it, you guys. So everybody know about Timo by now, so I don't have to tell you guys. So these are the eyeliner brush that I ordered from Timo. I have 4 pieces here, and these are very affordable product. And then I ordered some sponge. These are something that I really love, you guys. I love these sponge. They're so good to apply powder, foundation, anything. You just put it on your finger and just do like this. So I got 4 in the pack. This is it. And I also ordered this concealer brush. And I love to have a concealer brush also. So this is a concealer brush that I ordered also from Timo. This is it, you guys. Let's touch the bristle. Very, very soft and nice. It feels synthetic, but it's really, really nice. So this is the concealer brush that I also ordered from Timo. So let's go into, let's see this. I was going to use this for my hair, but then I cut my hair, you guys. But I'm gonna keep it that when my hair grow back. So this is a Brazilian wool that you use it 100%, and it's hand machine knitting yarn. So you can use this to apply to your hair, to twist your hair, to um, stretch your hair. So I do get this one, which I know my hair is cut, so I cannot use it right now, but I'll put it down until my hair grow back. And then, oh my God, look at these lashes, you guys. I ordered these lashes from Timo. I love Timo lashes. Most of the lashes that I wear nowadays is from Timo. The price are good, very, very affordable. So these are the lashes that I also order from Timo. And then I ordered some fashion glasses. Now I need to change my glasses, and because I need to change my glasses, I don't want to pay a big amount of money for frame. So I ordered these from Timo, so I can put my frame in it, put my lens in it, sorry. So I'm gonna try on this one here, and look at this. It is so cute and adorable. I love this one, you guys. So I ordered 2, and these are very, very, like, oh my God, they are so tight. So I ordered that one. And then I'm going to show you the next one that I also got from Timo. And because I was going to order from Glam, but because I have a Timo account, I said let me order from Timo. So this is the other one. And I think this one is the one that I'm going to use, like, to put my lens in instead of buying glasses with frame and so on. So I really do look at this one. I really love it, you guys. It's so adorable and cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one to put my lens in, take it to my optician and ask them to transfer a new lens in this one. But I do love it. Cute, isn't it? Very cute. They come into this boxes. They are very secure, you guys. Let's see if anything left in this. Okay, so this is what I don't even remember. Okay, and wow, look at this. This is what I got. I'm not happy with this. I thought this was more. These are some hair that I do order, and I thought this was more. It looked bigger on the side, but when you get it, it's just like this. And then I also have, this is another concealer brush that I do get from Teum. I have a couple of their brushes that I order. This is another concealer brush. You can just take it and just put your concealer. Okay, so this one is a foundation brush. Now, when you see these foundation brush and Teum site, they look really big, but after getting it, they're not. They're just a really small. This is my second foundation brush that I ordered from them here. And you see the bristles started to, like, look at this. It started to come out already off of this. I'm not happy with this. I have another one in my basket, and I think I'm going to take it out because this one is also shedding already. You can see it here. I don't like this one. To me, I'm not happy with it. And then I also have these also. These are some small brush. And as I said, when you see these on the side, they look more bigger, but when you get them, they are very, very small, you guys. And then you know, a girl have to have a satin cap for bed. So I also got this one here from Teum. I also got this one here. I love these. Let's try on, let's put it on my head and see how it look. I am going outside. I already have on one, but because I cut my hair, I don't want to show it. So this is it. This is cute. Very, very cute. You have to have one of these when you're going to bed at night, you guys. So this is what I order from Teum. I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. God bless you. Stay beautiful as always. And I will see you guys in my next upload. Ciao.